Hey guys, what's up? So today on top of Shirt Cheese 5, 11, 12, and 13, but 13.7. The first tweak is called Escape, and basically what this tweak does, escape from annoying people to a fake incoming call to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. So it gives you a fake phone call. This is called Among OS, and it's a theme with icons inspired from the Among Us game. This is called Facade, Facade Color, and customize the colors, the top bar, grid color Wi-Fi, color time, battery, color, clock, and alarm. Customize the colors of the application names, page points, name of the disabling keys, and hide dock background. This is called Spring Artwork, artwork for your wallpaper. This is called Heart Lines. I know there's trembling in your heart lines. Bring a new lovely design to your lock screen clock. This is called Home Slice. Cut off the extra space. So cuts down the wasted space used by home bar to give just a smidge more space for your apps. This is called You Up, making sure you won't fall asleep after the alarm. This is called Miriam, and customize your iOS device. So you have 100 plus 80 options to customize your device with. This tweak actually just received a huge update. You see the biggest update yet. There's a ton of updates. I'm not gonna give everything to you guys, but you can scroll down and read for yourself. So yeah, there's a bunch of updates. So yep, customize your device with. This is called Snapper 2, compared with iOS 12, 13, 14. iOS 7, 11 use version 2.3.2 or below. And basically what this tweak does, lets you copy a portion of the screen and keep it floating on the screen. So copy tags, you could just have a screenshot floating. It's a lot easier to screenshot. Use the block things, you can use it to whatever you want to use it to. You could just use it to just easily crop, block, have it flow on the screen. If you want to remember a phone number from a different page, you could just do that, and then you could have that phone number floated that you screenshot. So or any information. So you can do a bunch of things with this. And what's new, added a shadow color options, added ability to disable Santa hat Easter egg, and make Santa hat Easter egg show up a little less often. So pretty cool. This is called Animate My Badges, animates your app badges. This is called YouTube Reborn. Surprised we got an update for this since Sarah, this developer, actually left. So I don't know, we got an update. It's a YouTube customizer, so it's kind of like a YouTube plus alternative. This is called Switch Service, and basically lets you hold down the send button in your messages app to switch between sending your messages as iMessage or SMS. This is called Checkra1n, and it's basically iOS 14's indicator dots for iOS 13. This tells you what's being used on top by the color of the dot. This is called LS Contacts, and contacts bar right from your lock screen. This is called Text Time, display time as text. So you can see it said time, it displays the time as text. This is called Stripe Count, and set the number, see the number of installed packages at a glance. You can see 25. This is called Vinyl, a simplified look for your lock screen music player. This is called AIA, and cleans up notification banners and widget platters. This is called UPIP, enables picture-in-picture in a native YouTube app. Experimental with support for YouTube version 15.47. So if it's not working, make sure you guys have the right YouTube version. This is called COAS, and it's an awesome control center module. This is called Billy Downloader, Billy app. This is called Prism, your control center reimagined. This is called CC modules. A lot of people are saying it's not working. The CC module is not working with iOS 14.2, but for some people it is. It's giving you glitches. But it's a tiny tweak that adds third-party app modules to the utility modules to the iOS control center. This is called Current Bypass Unofficial. Supports iOS 12 to 14.2. It's a current level jailbreak detection bypass. So it does not work for every app or game, but it helps you bypass jailbreak detection on your apps and games. This is called Zenith, a long wait has paid off. Basically lets you create stats of icons on your home screen, so you swipe up or down any app icon to reveal its sub apps. You set any setups you want to add behind it, and those apps will now be obtrusively peeking out from behind your central app. Next is called Translo. Added Telegram support, an option to review the translated text before sending. It's basically $2 translate tweak that can make your life easier when chatting with foreigners. So you can chat in any language you want with ease and without going back and forth between translating apps or hitting extra buttons. So it supports these apps. This is called Etsline, and basically it's a app multi-run feature, so you log into multiple accounts for apps and games. This is called NetsUp 2, iOS 12 and 13. Basically, with this week, it's a little enhancement that allows you to glimpse ahead of the current track, and even change it if you don't like what the future had in store for you. You can see what the next song is playing. This is called, in the last week, is Red Wi-Fi Icon. Basically, with this tweak, makes red the Wi-Fi icon on the system-wide status bar powered with iOS 12 to 14 and ARM64E devices. So that's what it looks like. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. You can see the Wi-Fi is red.